When the Tampa Bay Buccaneers battle Kansas City in Sunday's big game, about a third of the crowd will be healthcare workers. The NFL has invited over 7,000 doctors and nurses to the Super Bowl as a reward for putting their lives on the line during this pandemic. And as Mike Armstrong explains, one nurse will receive a special honor right before kickoff.
It isn't that she'll have a good seat for the big game.
I still can't believe this is happening.
Nurse Suzie Dorner is actually going to be on the field, at least at the beginning.
Would you please toss a coin?
When the team captains take part in this year's coin toss, Dorner will be one of them.
We're extremely grateful.
She was surprised last week working from home. Buccaneers Hall of Famer Derek Brooks turned up in a Zoom meeting inviting Dorner to be an honorary captain.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I'm so humbled and honored. I'm speechless.
Now, as Tampa General Hospital has fought the pandemic, the opportunities to smile have been hard to come by. Dorner is a COVID ICU nurse manager. There have been days and weeks that were like a nightmare. This was a video put out in November.
The past 5 months have definitely taken a toll on my entire team. It's physically and emotionally exhausting.
Now, the work Dorner's done here at Tampa General Hospital isn't her whole story, unfortunately. In the middle of all this, she lost both her grandmothers. It was natural causes, not COVID. But one of the grandmothers was a nurse in the Second World War. She was the inspiration that led Dorner into nursing. Well, losing her during COVID was also a lesson.
I wasn't able to be there when she passed away. I wasn't able to say my goodbyes. So one thing that I really pushed after she passed away was I got technology. I got more iPads.
Knowing what she missed, Dorner now tries to make sure patients have what they need to talk to loved ones, whether it's FaceTiming or Zooming to just keep in touch, or at the end of life, as happens too often.
I think there's hope on the horizon with the vaccine.
Dorner says she's starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel, but what's gotten her this far through the darkness has something to do with football. It's her team, she says. Well, the Super Bowl's also given them all some smiles this week and a welcome distraction as her teammates help her practice flipping coins. Mike Armstrong, Global News, Tampa.